A new day, a new problem to solve. Today's problem is about database and it's of the level medium and is as the following. So the problem says that we're going to have an employee table that has two columns, ID and salary. Both of them are the type integer, and the goal is to return the highest salary from this table. And this highest salary should be returned with the name second highest salary. The thing is, if there is no second highest salary, we should return null. That's what makes the problem a little bit more difficult. So I suggest that you stop the video at the moment and you try to sketch it or write your own query and then return once you don't have an answer or you want to compare your answer to mine. So yeah, so let's start. So it's fairly simple, at least the start. So we can have this table and we can imagine that the salaries can be anything. So we can have duplications. So we can have 102 times. In the case of 200, another 100 and 200, we should return 200. So we should eliminate the same salaries. We should return the second highest salary. And also with the caveat that if there is no second highest salary, we should just return null. So if we just start simple, we just need to do select salary from employee, and then of course we're gonna try to order them by salary, order by salary descending. And so the thing is, if we do this, we're gonna return non-duplicated salaries as salary, but we want to rename the column as this. So we just gonna rename the column, and if there are duplications, we need to eliminate them as well. So distinct, and we want to take the second highest salary. So in order to do this, we can say get me start from the second element and only take one element. So we're gonna say start from the second element, which is the index 1. The first element is 0, and only take one element. So this is, if we just run this, we're gonna like cover basically everything except the null value if there is no second highest. Making a mistake somewhere. By salary. So as you can see, in this example where there is no second highest salary, they expected to have null. However, we got nothing. And that's where it makes the problem a little bit more complicated. So in order to do that, we're gonna like save these results as like something. I'm gonna call it second highest. And then from these second highest, we're gonna like select from this table, and we're gonna do a case. So this is the syntax, it's a case, and we say when and else. So it's like an if else. So we're gonna say if the count of everything, basically, by the way, here only we can get one element. So the complete, like here we're not fetching everything from the database. This is quite performant. So when we say count everything, the maximum we can get is one element. So if we get more than if we get less than one element, which we should do, we should return null. Otherwise, we should select everything from second highest, and in this case it's only one element, of course. Then we close and we run. And there you go. So even in the case where there is like, we expect there is no second highest salary, we get null. Yeah, so I hope that you liked this explanation. If you have a better solution or a criticism for this solution, please write them down in the comments. And if you like this content, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.